how to add a payment method on Binance on PC. So it's easy and simple. Now after, make sure you are logged into your Binance accounts. Now head over to the top bar here. Now select trades and click on P2P. Now after that, head over to the top bar, to the top right bar, and click on more. Now click on payment methods. Now after that, click on add payment method. And as you can see here, click on more. Now go to search and type like you want to add Cash App as a payment method on your Binance account. Now you click on it. So as you can see here, the tips, the added payment method will be shown on the buyer during the transaction to accept via transfer. Now as you can see, you can now enter your cash tag, and if you want, you can enter the email too, and click on confirm. So after you click on confirm, now you add a payment method to your Binance account. So this is how to add a payment method on Binance on PC. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.